Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to get a JetBrains student license for free. First thing first to do, go to jetbrains.com. This is JetBrains official website, as you can see right over here. Once you are there, look at the top right corner and click on the profile icon. This is right over here, that one. And after that you will be redirected to this page. You will also need to sign in before you enter to this page. So if you are not signed in, do that. After you are logged in, click on the profile icon again right here. This will take you inside your account dashboard. Here you might see a message saying no available license. Totally normal if you never applied before. If this is your first time, you should see an options that says something like apply for free student or teacher license for educational purpose. Go ahead and click on that one. Now you will be redirected to the JetBrains student pack page. Here just click request now. And on this page, you will see 4 different ways to apply for the student license. Your options are university email address, ISIC or ITIC student card, official school document, or GitHub student developer pack. So if you have this GitHub student developer pack, this one will be easiest option. Just authorize with GitHub and you will usually get access right away. If you are using university email, select the options that says I'm a student. If you are a student or if you are a teacher, click on I'm a teacher. Then you will choose your country region. So use this. Then you have email address, personal email name, referral code. Once everything is filled out, scroll all the way down and click apply for free product. You can do this same process with any of the other method as well, depending on what you selected. After you submit the application, if your school is supported, you should receive your JetBrains student license, and that's it. That's exactly how you get a JetBrains student license for free. So if this video helped you out, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year, and I will see you in the next one.